DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail standard, has been created for the same reason we've discussed earlier for the SPF. It is as well to prevent hackers from using your domain, impersonating your domain, and sending emails on your behalf. So why do you need to use DKIM on top of SPF? It's a different use case, and it's an additional way to protect your emails. So by setting DKIM on your DNS servers, you're just putting more security controls in where you're telling your receivers, yes, it is me who is sending the email. So it's here about keys. You need to have a public key and a private key. The private key, which is unique to your domain and it's available only to you, it allows you to encrypt your signature in the header of the message. And as you all know, public keys are available to all. So this sender will be able to use the public key available on your domain to decrypt the hidden signature from the header of your message. You can take the example here on the screen. Alice at RedPython is encrypting the message, sending it to the world using her private key. And any receiver will be able to decrypt the message using the public key, which is available on the DNS. And bang, it will be delivered. Meanwhile, another Alice at redpython.com who is not encrypting her message using the private key actually will not see its way to be delivered because no one will be able to use the public key available to decrypt the message. Thus, it will not be delivered. So how can you configure DKIM on your server? It's easy. You need to install you need first to enable email signing from your end, and you need to install the public key on your domain as a text record. So let me show you here. Create a text record. It's so easy. The record name, just name it anything. I'll name it default underscore domain key. Here you use v equal DKIM1. You use a colon or semicolon, and then you paste your public key, and then you press OK, and that's it. One more thing to say here, that if you're using or you're sending lots of emails, maybe for marketing, sales, the reputation of your domain is important and you should take good care of it. So you don't want your domain to get in a blacklist of other emails with other emails and end up in junk or spam. So setting SPF and DKIM records properly on your DNS server is a necessary step towards the security of your domain and the high deliverability of your messages. We learned about SPF in the previous video. We learned about DKIM in this video, and there's another security mechanism called DMARC. So you know, phishing and email spam are the biggest opportunities for hackers to enter the network. Single click might compromise the full thing, and your entire environment might be attacked with different sorts of ransomware, cryptojack scripts. You might have DLPs, or you might have exploitation of lots of different privilege escalation. So what isn't as well known is why most enterprises need all these three protocols to protect their infrastructure. It's like anything else in the IT world. Those solutions do not necessarily overlap, but my advice is to use all of them, the three of them, because they complement each other.